Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing a new nail lamp that I recently got from MelodySusie. They were kind enough to send this over for review, and it's pretty cool because it's a cordless wireless lamp that allows you to cure your thumbnail all at once, your thumbnail and your fingers all at once. So this here is the new nail lamp, and I'm super excited for it because I just love the design of it. But this is the packaging that, you know, MelodySusie normally sends their products in, and it's always clean, chic, and sleek. This is what the side looks like. This is the back that gives more information about the nail lamp. It is 48 watts, which is great. That's the other side. So let's go ahead and pop her open and see what she's looking like, okay? So this here does have the information warranty. So this here is the warranty information for it. And this here is the instructions. Definitely go through and read the instructions so that you know how to properly use it. I always recommend that with any, you know, electronic nail products. But as you all can see, this is kind of the design. It's going to flip out and you can put your thumb in on the side like that. That's so cool. So yeah, just go through and read that so you all know how to properly take care of your product. And this here is the really cool item that we're going to be reviewing today, okay? Okay, so this here is the nail lamp, okay? So let's just open her up here. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is very different from any nail lamp that I've ever had before. So let's just kind of take a look on the outside here. This is the top. It has some vents here. On the side it says put your nails in this area. It says it on both sides here. Again, it shows the specs on it. It is 48 watts. It has this silicone kind of rubberized bottom, which is always nice because, you know, your item won't slide around on the table. And as you all can see through here, it has lights here, and this is where the thumb part goes. And at the very top, I'm assuming this is the power button here. Yes. And then this here is the charging port, which I didn't even realize was also in the box here. So let's take this out real quick. So this here is the charging cable that comes with it. It's USB-C, and this is how you would charge the lamp. So you just plug it in like that, and then plug this into your outlet. But it is cordless and rechargeable, which is really awesome. So I love that about it. All right, and so since it is on, I'm gonna put my finger in here. See, okay, yeah. So it's motion censored as well. So once you put your finger in, it turns on, as you all can see. And it has actually 6. That's pretty cool. So it has 6 lights, 2 on the side and then 4 at the top. So that's pretty cool. And then the most interesting feature about this lamp is that it like slides out. So look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's so different. Like, this is so different. I've not had any lamp like this ever. This is just silicone here. It has a 35-second and a 60-second timer. Okay, and then as you all can see, the light turns on. This is the 65-second timer. Press it again here. Look at that. So all the lights come on. We got 14 lights here. And then, like I said, we got the 6 lights up in here. So looks like it's going to be pretty powerful to be able to cure your nails. So it can slide either this way for curing, which is nice. So you would like put your hand in like this. And I do feel the power on it, so that's nice. Okay. So you either cure like this, or you can slide it and then it'll go to the other side and you can cure like this. That is just so cool. Like, this right here is gonna be really nice for like traveling and having to do nails, or if you just need a really nice compact portable nail lamp. This is so innovative for MelodySusie. I absolutely love that they came out with this design. It's so different. I love it. Yeah. So yeah, and it's a really, really small footprint. Like I said, it's super small, compact, and portable. So you could easily, if you got to travel and do your nails, bring this with you. You don't have to worry about, you know, having a cable to charge it. And then just like that. And then with the other thing that I really, really love is that you can cure the thumb in addition to your 4 fingers. So you can cure it all at once. And one thing I am noticing right off the bat is that it's not necessarily like a comfortable cure, meaning that when you cure your nail polish, you know, it's still it's still going to be moving around until it starts to like really set. And so you kind of want to, when you place your nail inside of this thumb part, you want to make sure that it is, you know, right side up, which they have like this groove area right here kind of telling you where you set your thumb down at, but it does kind of create a slight awkward angle to have to cure your top fingers. But to be honest with you, to be able to cure all 5 fingers at once as opposed to having to do 2 separate ways, I think this is great. So I am excited. I'm going to put this to the test right now. I'm in need of a quick mani, to be honest with you guys. So I'm gonna actually do a quick mani here on camera with you all. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm really just gonna be throwing some gel polish on my nails. I feel bad I haven't really had a lot of time to do my nails like I would like. So I've just been, actually my nails have been bare for almost 2 months, y'all, and I've just been clipping them down. I ain't been doing nothing with my nails. And I miss doing my nails, you guys. So really quick, I'm gonna just go through and just shape the nails. I think I'm gonna do like a loose almond kind of shape, to be honest. Nothing too crazy. But it's gonna be super basic, you guys. But I'm gonna go through, just file my nails real quick. Okay, so now that my nails are just shaped ever so slightly, like I said, this is just a really quick gel polish mani I'm going to be doing. Next, what I'll do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to rough up the surface of my nails. I'm going to do that with this little metal cuticle pusher. And I'll just do that for slightly better adhesion, you know. I'm also going to push back my cuticles while I'm doing this as well. And making sure to get up any of that dead skin that's underneath the cuticle. Next thing I'm going to do is go through and just cut off any of this like extra dead skin that's kind of hanging out around my cuticle areas. I don't normally cut cuticles, but it's been a really long time since I've done my nails. And I just have a lot hanging out there, so that is that for now. Next thing, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of swipe and just dehydrate my nail bed real quick. Alrighty, so my nails are all dehydrated, ready to go. I'm gonna go in with my Jello Peel Off Base Coat, and that's gonna be what I use for my base. I'm just gonna put a really thin layer on all the nails. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip the nails upside down. Flip for 10 and then I'll cure for 60. I'm gonna go ahead and take my lamp out. Let me zoom out here so you guys can get a better view of this curing process. So I'm gonna slide this out like so. Okay, I'm gonna hit 65, and I'm gonna be really careful when I put my thumb in. Then I'm gonna go with thumb first. Make sure it's upright and then cure the rest like so. So I'll cure that for 60 seconds. And this is really comfortable, easy to use. Y'all see how quick it was to slide it out, open it, and let it cure. So yeah, I'm going to let that cure for 60 seconds. Okay, so that is fully cured now. So that's what it's looking like cured. I am just going to go in with a really quick pink color, with a quick pink set. I have the Madam Glam in the color Juliet's Vow. And I do have a full review of this collection coming soon. This was the February collection that came out, so I'm gonna have to post that review of that full collection here soon. But I'm gonna go in and do a thin layer on all the nails. Flip for 10, cure for 60. Just gonna slide it out real quick. And then put it in like so. Very nice. So, yep, definitely looks like the gel polish cured through and through, so that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with one more coat of polish, and then I'm gonna do my second coat of polish off camera, and then I'll come back with the top coat. This is what 2 layers of polish looks like. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Gaioe top coat. I've actually truly been enjoying this top coat a lot, so I'm gonna use this to just seal in my polish, and then we'll do that final cure with this lamp, and we'll get into the finished look. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see. Yeah, y'all, it cured beautifully. I'm a fan, I'm a fan, I'm a fan. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some cuticle oil on, and we'll get into the finished look. All right, you guys. Ain't she cute though? Yes. I'm loving my cute, simple little pink mani. I am going to do my second hand off camera, but I really just wanted to come on really quick and demo out this new nail lamp. I think this was a great invention from MelodySusie. There's no other nail lamp like this out on the market. I think it's really cool. I mean, even if you wanted to do some single nail art, you know, you can, you know, just cure your thumbnail like and walk around. Like, this is just such a cool, innovative design for a nail lamp. And another thing is if you want to do your right hand, if you want to do your left hand, you can cure it this way. If you want to do your right hand, you cure it this way. Like, this lamp is so cool. So definitely wanted to showcase this to you all. I do have a discount code with MelodySusie if you guys are interested in getting your hands on this lamp. I'll link it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. It is also available on Amazon, so go check it out over there if you guys are interested in getting your hands on it. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this review. Again, I'm in my soft girl era with my nails. I'm just doing simple, dainty looks. Who knows, I might come back on here and add a little bit of bling just to give it some pizzazz, because I miss all of my cool nail designs I used to do, but time just doesn't permit anymore these days. I am going to give an update on how this peel off base coat works, so stay tuned to the channel for that. I'll do like a quick 5-minute review on how the Jello peel off base coat lasted with just a regular gel mani. But yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.